11. A mineral wealth. In this chapter, we will learn about the mineral resources of our country, metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, conservation of minerals, and do MCQs. Fill in the blanks. True or false? WH questions. Do crossword. A country is rich in mineral wealth too. This wealth is buried deep under the ground. The minerals are dug out of mines by miners. Some minerals are found below the bottom of the sea. Some others are also found closer to the surface of the earth. All rocks on earth have minerals in them. Metals are taken out of minerals. A rock containing large amount of a particular mineral is called the ore of that mineral. Minerals are broadly divided into metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. We get metals such as iron, copper, gold, and silver from metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals include salt, coal, petroleum, limestone, and precious stones. Coal and petroleum are used as fuel. They are also called mineral fuels. Metallic minerals. Iron is not found pure. It is mixed with soil or sand or with pieces of rock. This is called iron ore. Iron ore is found in large quantities in Bihar, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra states of India. We produce iron and steel from iron ore in mills. They are called iron and steel plants. The first iron and steel plant in India was set up at Jamshedpur, Tatanagar. Now, there are iron and steel plants in different parts of India. There are big iron and steel plants at Bokaro in Bihar, Raulkela in Orissa, Bhilai in Madhya Pradesh, and Durgapur in West Bengal. Iron is used to make tools, utensils, machines, bridges, coaches, and railway engines. Manganese is used in making steel and its alloys. The mines of manganese are found in Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite. It is used to make aeroplanes, utensils, and other household items. Jharkhand, Orissa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu are the states where we have reserves of bauxite. Did you know India is the world's second largest producer of manganese? Non-metallic minerals. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are three important non-metallic minerals. They are also known as fossil fuels. Coal is the mother of all industries. We can obtain energy from coal, and we can also get many useful things like tar, ammonia, coke, artificial colors, etc. Coal is also known as black diamond. We have coal mines in the Raniganj area in West Bengal and in the Giridih, Jharia, Bokaro, Dhanbad, Hazaribagh areas etc. in Jharkhand. Coal is also found in Madhya Pradesh at Korba and Patharkheda. There are many coal mines in Nagpur, Chandrapur and Yavatmal districts in Maharashtra. Low-grade coal, lignite, is found in Neyveli, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Coal is an important fuel mineral. Coal is a domestic fuel. It is used on a large scale for the generation of thermal electricity and for refining iron ore. Mineral oil or petroleum is refined to make petrol, diesel, kerosene, mobile oil and cooking gas. Mineral oil is also called liquid gold. Mineral oil is pumped out from underground through oil wells. The vast area where these wells are dug are called oil fields. The first mineral oil was dug at Digboi in Assam state. Mineral oil deposits have been found in Gujarat state near the Gulf of Kambat. There are oil deposits in the Arabian Sea near Mumbai in Maharashtra. Mineral oil is extracted from the Bombay High area. We are now discovering new oil fields along our seashores. Crude oil is refined in oil refineries. We have oil refineries at Mumbai, Trombay, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Mathura, Barauni, Guwahati and Cochin. Natural gas is found along with petroleum. It is used in industries and in thermal power stations. It is very useful as domestic fuel. It is also converted into ammonia. Natural gas is also used to produce compressed natural gas (CNG). Conservation of minerals. Mineral resources are very precious. They take millions of years to form. Though we have good reserves of the natural reserves, they will not last forever. Once used, they are exhausted. They are called non-renewable sources of energy. Therefore, we must be very careful while using our mineral wealth. Wastage of minerals should be stopped. There are some other sources of energy which are renewables such as the sun's energy, wind energy, and water energy. We should use more of these sources and try to reduce our dependence on coal and mineral oil. New words. Ore, a rock that contains minerals. Fossil fuel, fuel that was formed millions of years ago from the remains of plants. Refinery, an industry set up for refining something. Recap. Minerals are broadly divided into metallic and non-metallic minerals. Iron, aluminium, and manganese are metallic minerals. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are non-metallic minerals. We must be very careful while using our mineral wealth, and wastage of minerals should be stopped.